Ali malungil silsal mura kaunos emlo mes oreng setel mo mes ringia Meang Ice TMC. Ang klega Olkeriil and I'm back for the summer. Mak mutel mo marulay gayidal Meang Ice news rigid until I return back to the university on September. Kotel Meang Ice al dilub ra belwadra el al tal Sunday isela Finance Minister ma PPUC CEO Mr. Frank Yota dirgalterung amle receive subpoena from Olbira Kalulaw. Mang Ngirudelsang mo appear madala Olbira Kalulaw for oversight hearing. Algira la patokol information regarding PUC Ministry of Finance. Minister of Finance amlo sabel attender tial as he called during the press conference yesterday, investigative hearing. Hanggang long ra Tuesday about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, emle walk out ra kuk differences ringi loban three our senators regarding lawyer Senate ask questions al mura Minister of Finance. CEO ra PPUC Frank Yota Malagol was say he doesn't think much about the subpoena ra Olbira Kalulaw el alta nga Paris on his capacity lobengela PNOC girela games. Adol tirak la lula belurbelaw ya Olbira Kalulaw ang aringi aklisiel el subpoena ra ngidil require if they deem so Ngirudelsang require information from that individual di way aklisi ela court ra belurbelaw. Kuktara Meang Ice long time al delegate ra belurbelaw ediral vice speaker House of Delegates Mr. Lucio Ngiraiwet lom era belurang artmaw la announce ra intention ringil retire from politics edi kalutel mormurt el mortia lobis tianga obengela BS el ice el blel break ringia Island Times elo ice el kmulwase Miss Vicky Ganay ngel di imol delegate ra House of Delegates adiregal mo tianga lutel mormurt tial meral may el election a reason ringia argil el mlamo o Ngirudelsang ediregal lo marang lo asembato kar magigarel adrairay el sabir el mortial drual. Kadamal molmra osisul isela politics ra belurbelaw kadamadang sel report ra reapportionment committee lulu ay sa kumulwaset tial maral mail election ng mo 15 are senators all incumbent senators are expected to run again including some new faces lulimo klaringia Mr. Brian Malayre, Miss Joanne Rizong Targong, Miss Ensingeo, Mr. Sifrid Nakamura, Mr. Piera Toribiyong, edire ka lang aring yal mutel bebil ra ngakla el me room for election ertial meral mil senkirablu belal morngira November. Kuktara Meang Ice isel PNSP el al sils el Thursday ra PCC Assembly Hall ya patokorar o kadel ngal ra school el return el morabulur belaw ngar sel internship program el obis ra bulur belaw ra PNSP harawa tiket tir el May tiras miga rerir el ngara kumbali malung government agency ra bulur belaw Orior el Malaya experience tir ya PNSP omdo tir el $400 bi-weekly tial programa nga rin over 30 nerbelaw tirkangangal ra school university students from all over the world including mainland US, Asia, Taiwan, even Hawaii bato ka lurioral nga rin el alsil set ngara PCC Assembly Hall el give up presentations lo ay salwase nga raikel blal rule lo banggelaikel agency tira intern rin direkal kukngra plans for the future purpose ertial program malartiral ngal Karbelaw University students el May get them some experience here in Palau and hopefully yung most of el part tra future plans ertir el maya schoolir el mutel me over Belau el contribute el mura nation building ergit kuktara Meang Ice isela belura Shabal mabalur Belau ne celebrate tra 30th diplomatic relations anniversary mlaring ya cultural week ra Balura Shabal, they call it the Japan Cultural Week, tial Lomregal Sunday, 2 weeks ago. Part tial program tingil titrir judo masters mar kimono sensei, kimono instructor sa bela mlomrula program sa visitra school. But most notably, direk part tial loyal gura program for this year, direk malmol el altam ang aring muralist, hanggang famous world traveler muralist marara balul adam lamura patokol balura balul including Africa, Ukraine, the Latin Americas, direk ngarbe laur elang Balur belaw mo number 8 del balura balul adal feature artwork ringi hanggang work with students, and he's painting a large mural at the airport. Ang plan del ra 25th ra el al July moringia unveiling ceremony ra 29 according to a press conference at ambassador's residence and no sabamal attend ringi o giray gidal questions ang kangangartyalo ng gila team ringi other two painters, and he works in collaboration with elementary students. Al sukumangura mo ringi changes ra uktiging sel unveiling ceremony tial mural, and then media will report mang sabaedal mo masangan hopefully sel guk travel lubang nga ringi rolliul mura airport, you'll take a look at it. Next information, public transportation, the Alto Rabas, domicile bus stops around Koror, dirikal nga rin IRI, Pitara tial super center, nga rin tial transportation nga rin plan mga tmok ringi expand ringi direk maral super ringi el time according to Director August ra press conference eli ngo ay sel mulwa se el al time hindi ka route ringi mura malakal nga malaal around the icebox area. Fisheries and DK will be incorporated in the new route el moringira next week, which will be running every day. Tial public transportation cost $1, di $1 aral direk plan tial expansion ringi ma development tial program mo include fisheries stocks among mo sabuira are tirigel other belaw kirabalilyo mangayaw rel selabira when they come to Koror ang moringia pura shopping at tier or tamrula al sangri ang sabi low make use of public transportation, and it'll bring them back to fishery stock mang sabi wukyat sa bilas al moramira kabaluri. Direk lara alto ala minister press conference no sabi attend ring eli ang luay sa mulwase ngaring concerns ra ku tirigel adra balilyo malubeng suggestions or tirikal other outlying states elo magit mo part tial program ngaring bus services desang rabulura shabal ngaring magigirel tana malubeng compartments ra igal bus el sabe el accommodate magit maigel suggestions taken will be looked at for consideration el girela sel wayal pol part tial expansion ma development tial program ra bus transportation, public transportation ablu bela mga tmoklaringi in partnership and sponsorship from Chaika. Direk guktara Meang al global al tol other belawa interested ngil bodo tangali girela tax refund el tianga moringira klugu ka Friday el July 26 el moringira para mayong ra 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. ra total mo kabsingi dol tirak la ay setial tax refund disbursement mo alto the although the total of $845,000 el more tirigel other belaw el wages tier ngara $15,000 to $30,000 annually per year. Tol tirak la information from Director Elwe ang oay sel kumulwase tirigel prepare the disbursement disbursement checks are tier 1,800 at al suku makawa madangil mulwa sa kamasukura 15,000 to 30,000 range raw do them every year dia kang climmer sa list magtakangan mo para mayong malube mo sel W2 raw mok in ra Ministry of Finance maltira kal sabi iral ngo sukaw ay tang ka eligible al mortial ngeswa man sabi emal mo malaring indira kal tukura SS al suku makawa ngaringiya suku makawa ospera SS number kuk mo a prefix ringilan dakal SS rablu belaw for example eng SS rablu ramrigel eng radra Ministry of Finance tirakalungar artial program willing el helper kaw so if you are eligible itong sukaw remula igel rokul documents that are needed and most of ML artial nge so a total of $480 dira kalo sisul ice Monday en gukte mir trigel retirees tira ka nga more trigel retirees la retire masuka SS ding dia kalo rior malsuko makawa retiree ang aring yaw rem maka masuka wages makaharaw ra wages and salary tax and di kam eligible andil suko makawa la retire kamasuka SS di ka mo rior mandi ka wages ra ka blem report and then you are eligible for this help about 2,000 retirees ra blur belaw mamlak tal nges ra Monday yaklungelaw do dal tuwa dal mortial financial disbursement the more retirees is about $970,000 toltirak la ice direkal mle questions ra media mlo clarifying ya director Elawea o Isaac mulo asal suku makawa o business ending kamalara to them alubeng tal business rakawa diakam harawa wages el morkaw you don't pay your own wage salary kukukti retirees and ding retiring ding go business eligible al mortal ngeso unless al suku makawa pay wages to yourself mangaringia W2 ka malu mangaringia records ra wages and salary tax blem haraw other than that iaro ku retirees eligible ya temil momlar tial ngeso Monday kadol tirak la isel la belur bela mga malmol malguk mora WIOA dol tirak la director tigingala director Ngirudelsang ra press conference eli yung uluay sel kumulwa se sira 2021 yung laring year 688 al adal mlo aplar sel CARES Act financial help direkal sira 2020 yung laring year 516 al toltirak ra tigidal land of information do ngo ay salwase mlo made ludo dal mora mlo sab edel disperse al mor tiragi dal 516 al at 2.4 million and the total rigel nges wal mle girirel receive 11,724,965 mangwayal nga song sira about $9.3 million ngogiwa effort tra WIOA mlo sabela sel department of the OL Department of Labor el search cycle 15 states ra blura mirigel including US territories lo siger sel 9.3 million el mosab el do olir tial 2.4 el mlaringira blur belaw mleng songs mosab el payout ay gidal nges wal more tirgay gidal claimants tial program ra CARES Act amle closer sira September 2021 mang wayabla bola kanges when the fortunately at the Department of Labor amlo matigil kumula sa blura saibal am laringi wayal daringi laigel nges wal made ngulgiwa Department of Labor amlo sabi irel di obligate ay gidal nges mablu belaw amle receive ay gidal ludo the mang most sabi irel payout ay gidal nges wal mortal claimants. The information continues alo ay sel kumulwa se tirkal adra WIOA amo makadong ra tirkay gidal itself claimants matolingit tel kumulwa sende kamo makador obis ra WIOA lo giral kumulwa se ang claim ngara list tol tirak la ay set tirakal other tialobi sa mo kadong el more tirgel claimant sa le processor tir kada tirakal rokul claimant sa mo fila papier and then yar adra IOA mo helper tir process apabilingir within 10 days and then mora they do continue the process for 4 weeks mora Ministry of Finance and they'll do their process for a week mang about 5 weeks and then tirakal claimant sa mo sab irel receive ay gidal check certir dol tirak ra information from Director Ngirudelsang lang ay salwase about selko talwayal kurangar pap el klungelanges wal baby tirakal claimant sa mo expecter niya about $25,000 ding tialnges wadi moyo raigel reporting el rirul lobang gela documents serkaw manda kalbulak mo kumongu segi del amount ng range sa el guk mal misel ngario mal ubeng megego gilmeral morbab to that amount as the max tol tirakla I said they will do the calling of its claimants alphabetically direkal moringia orientation mat nga sir tirel wasang makara the filay gay gidal babier mo sab edal receiver tial ngeso ngaringia questions ra medial mlora director ngir meri lang lu aisal mo alula TOL agira mel ngarbelaw receiver tial ngeso mal sukuma claimant adal mo receiver tial ngeso of island en gira dal ngarab belaw in order to receive this financial assistance next al Meang al ice ngaringia typhoon Kaimi, I hope I pronounced that correctly. Tiangamle hitra pelura Taiwan. We're giving out this information lang batokal ngal karbelaw ngara schooler say care say direkal batokar sme ngara medical referral ngara pelura Taiwan. TMC amlo sa el mga adura baby are trigal patients mar escort sa ngara pelura Taiwan and they said they were okay. And the weather is still windy and it's still raining and the typhoon Kaimiam Lapas on its way to China as of this morning when we looked at the satellite map but our patients and escorts there are okay per the information that TMC received ay gigidamyang al aisal lo sab mal maskidra al kukle happen re el alwig ma igal mlomrek ma relevant news tied to the dates of this week and then kumal masaulera te al mas milomes I'll see you next week for more updates and news around Palau. This is Olkeriil and you are watching TMC. Thank you.